Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres, and as you can tell by the noise, I'm in the greenhouse. Let me see here, if I back away from this fan, maybe it'll be okay, or not. Problem is, I'm going to melt if I turn the fan off. So here, we'll have to talk fast so I don't melt. Okay, here we are in the greenhouse. So you can see there's quite a bit of stuff that's changed. Well, I hope you can see if you've been following us. There's a lot fewer cabbages, and there's a couple fewer broccolis, and there's more seedlings. So turn that fan off briefly. Okay, what do we have? We have peppers. These are the peppers that I overwintered, and it's very weird. I don't think this one's going to make it, which is okay. But this one, which is a godfather, and these two, which are both Mamma Mia Rosos, have actually come back, as you can see, really well. There's actually flowers on them, and everything's smooshed in here right now. So, but there's actually a Mamma Mia Rosso pepper there, and you can see more flowers on there. So far, this is what I'd call a real success. And when I get a little bit more stuff moved, my goal is to get out the one dead pepper plant. I need to top it with some new soil. It has had some fertilizer, so it's greened up nicely because it was a little pale when it first started this spring. But it's doing great. These are potatoes, so are these, so are these. And the only thing I'm not happy with so far is this, which is sweet potatoes. They just are not putting out leaves well. So I may actually grab a couple more. I don't know why this is not working right, but I really want to be assured that I'm going to have sweet potatoes, so I will have to grab more if necessary. You got to see the sizes of some of these heads that we're starting to get on some of these broccolis. Very pleased. This is our next batch of broccoli that will be coming off. We still have a lot of smaller stuff that we're getting out of the ones that we've been harvesting for months. See, like these guys here. I'm harvesting these once or twice a week and getting a bunch of small stuff like this out. The calendulas are still going crazy. I need to deadhead them again. I was debating how soon I was going to deadhead some of them, but I want some seeds, so you know, it's kind of a twisty-turny thing. More potatoes. This is Hercules, and as you can see, we now have a whole stack of little guys in here. This is great. So this is the one Hercules carrot that previously came up, and we kind of laughed at him because he was a lone carrot. But I decided to just replant the pot with more Hercules, and we're doing fine now. We have a proper turnout. These are the other ones. Are these Hercules too? Let me see. Nope. These are Mokum. And I've got some that are about 3/4 of an inch in diameter, so I'll let them go a bit while longer. We have carrots still left in the fridge from the previous harvest, so if I don't need to, I won't bug them. As you can see, this guy is really producing some beautiful secondary heads here. And these guys, this is their first heads. And you can see we're going to get some decent sized ones out of here too, so very happy with that. Still have some lettuce, spinach, more lettuce. This lettuce still tastes good even though it looks funny right now. See, what I do is I harvest from the bottom, and the cabbage is pretty done. I need to harvest him too. These guys are still producing the small side shoots, so again, I'm getting a bunch of small side shoots every week from garlic. I need to fertilize them, otherwise they're doing great. This is our old broccoli. As you can see, I'm still getting side shoots. I just harvested this the other day, but I see there's another batch that needs to come out. Cabbage, more broccoli. It tasted fine the other day. That's lettuce, but it might be starting to go. I'll have to watch that. These are the most recently transplanted cabbages. Okay, this is, if you have watched us on for a while, this is the new Haas 48 cell starting kit, and I tell you what, I am thrilled with this so far. We're hoping that these will come up in a timely fashion and we'll be getting on. We are definitely running late this year in comparison to regular years in terms of starting our seeds. Kohlrabi, these are doing absolutely astoundingly wonderful. I've got multiple in there that could be harvested right now. So we've started eating kohlrabi slaw regularly now. So I think I cleared out, yeah, I did. I cleared out the old bucket of kohlrabi. This is our experiment, and you'll notice that those tomatoes are all looking sort of tomatoey. They're starting to look half decent. So we'll see. Yeah. I'm actually ready to pot those guys up. These are radishes. There's like 4 different kinds in there, 3 different kinds in there. And that's just fun because Henry loves radishes. Flowers. Mostly gomphrena, little bachelor's button, lupin, columbine. Columbine and lupin takes longer than the other stuff. And has a lower germination rate. Some of these are also old seeds, but I am still very pleased with that. Onions. My dusters have come up really well. My candies have not. So we'll see. I need to order more candy onion seeds. I don't think the ones I had are that old, but you know, sometimes something happens. But I am still really pleased at where we are, so to speak, right now in comparison to some other years. And that's about it. This is where we are right now. There are some Brussels sprouts down at the other end that are doing okay. Now that I have my cool Henry conglomeration of watering, it makes it a lot easier to water out here. I can get this thing done very quickly in comparison to taking, used to be I would transport, you know, 10 or 15 buckets of water down the lane to the greenhouse in order to get everybody, and still maybe not get everybody quite as wet as they should be. So this is helping a huge amount. And yeah, we also have this huge influx of flies, so it's time to start smashing flies again. I used to do that a lot last year, much to my chagrin. It just seems like this year we've had a lot of flies up front early, so I'm not thrilled with that, but oh well. It is what it is. Jack is chilling over there. He got scolded. He didn't want to come in, and I said he had to because I'm such a meanie. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed a little bit. We're right in the middle of things. Really, I'm going to be transplanting, you know, transferring things around a little bit more. These guys over here still get covered up at night, to make sure that, because we occasionally still have nights below 32. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. I still have literally tons of flower plants to produce. We'll catch up. We'll catch up somehow. I may not grow quite as many plants this summer as I have in previous years. We're trying to be more efficient and time things, and we're having some issues with our schedules too, so we have to make this work. But we do have a good start on the outside garden in terms of getting beds cleared and stuff like that. And I guess we'll see. You'll just have to come back and see what happens, because obviously we have a lot going on. There's a lot more seeds that still need to be started in here, and there'll be a lot of seeds that will get planted next month in the yard. Yeah, that's about it. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because obviously we have a ton going on, and there would be much more going on as the summer progresses. So yes, we grow it and then we cook it, so all kinds of stuff happens around here. So until next time, bye. And don't forget to keep brainstorming, because obviously we do.